Hi, this is BalaReva. Welcome to BalaReva Uipath YouTube channel. Today we are going to see some useful Outlook activities. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Your subscribe makes me to create more videos and components. Let us see the demo.
Hi, today I am going to explain you how to use the BalaReva Easy Outlook package activities. Before going to the demonstration, first we can see how to install the package. Just go here, select all packages. Before that, you have to ensure that you have enabled the Go checkbox. It must have to enabled. In the all packages, just take BalaReva Easy Outlook. You can able to see this package already I have installed. In the activities panel, you can able to see all the BalaReva Easy Outlook activities. It has a lot of activities. Now we are going to see how to add a new contact. We have to pass an input a class object. The class object name is called Outlook New Contact. Press Ctrl K and you can give a name as contact item. Okay, you can able to see the variable type. It comes from BalaReva Easy Outlook New Contact. We have created the variable. This property shows that the contact has added successfully or not. Press Ctrl K and I'm going to give BLN result. So we need to assign the value to the contact item. Multiple assign. So first we have to take a new instance of this variable. So contact item new Outlook new contact, and here you have to pass the email ID. So I'm going to use harinibala@gmail.com. So when you give add new contact item, when you give dot, so it has a lot of properties. These properties are equivalent to what we have here: the company first name and last name, middle name, and the company name, job title, and the business informations. All these information I have provided as a property in here. So I'm going to give the first name as Harini, and the last name is Balamurugan. Contact item dot last name is Balamurugan, and I'm going to provide the telephone number, mobile telephone number. Just give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, that's all. I'm going to give a message box. I'm going to show you the contact has added successfully or not. I'm going to run the process. Shows true. Okay, we are going to see the output. The first name is Harini, the last name is Balamurugan, and here we can able to see the email ID and the telephone number. So this is the way we can able to add a new contact. Next we are going to see how to get the all contacts from Outlook. See, here I have 3 contacts in my Outlook, so I want to get all the contacts. Using the get contacts activity, we can able to retrieve all the contacts. So this is a list of the Outlook contact. So I'm going to create a variable lst contacts. I'll delete this one. So after we retrieve the contacts, we have to show the information of the contact. So with that we can use the for each loop. Here I'm going to specify the variable name of contact, so that we have to change the type argument browse So here we can able to see the BalaReva Outlook. So in the Outlook, it is the Outlook contact. So we have changed it, and using a right line activity, we can able to see the output in the output panel. So I'm going to show you the item name dot first name, the last name. Some of the contact doesn't have the last name, so something is wrong. Yes, I forgot to put the plus symbol here. Okay, so we can able to see. Going to run. Okay, see here we can able to see Miguel, Uipath, Rafaela and Harini Balamurugan. So I have 3 contacts, so it retrieves all the 3 contact information. If you need more detail, you can add the email address, but yeah, here I have mentioned only the 2 properties, so that it will showing only the 2 informations. The next we are going to see how to create a new note in the Outlook. The note body we have to give. I'm going to give the note is created from Uipath robot. Okay, that's all. And here you can able to know the information the note has created successfully or not, result. Okay, so I'm going to give a message box to show the information of the result. Okay, right. I'm going to execute the process. Run. Yes, it's created. We're going to check it now. Okay, the notes created from Uipath robot.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Your subscribe makes me to create more videos and component. Bye. See you.